Working for the Missouri Department of Transportation is more than just a job. In our fast-paced, future-based environment, you'll be working the newest innovations, and your future is limited only by your imagination.
It's a cool place if you like problem solving. I mean, you get to work on the biggest problems that they can throw at you here. It always makes me work harder, keeps my interest level really high, because you can see how you're a part of something bigger, and while you may be working on some smaller part of this larger problem, everybody's pulling in the same direction to get something done at MoDOT.
MoDOT is responsible for the 7th largest highway system in the nation, with nearly 34,000 miles of roads and over 10,000 bridges.
I love it because I get to serve the people directly, and that is a big difference between working in consulting and working for the state of Missouri. So it's our job to save lives. It's our job to protect the roads, to protect the drivers on the road. And that to me feels very important. And when I go to work every day, I want to make sure I have an impact. And at MoDOT, being in charge of the biggest roads in the state, we have a big impact here, the things that we do.
Our innovative approach to providing safety, service, and stability to the motoring public has led to several game-changing accomplishments, including the Diverging Diamond Interchange, a revolutionary way of handling traffic flow. The nation's first Diverging Diamond Interchange was engineered and built by MoDOT in Springfield in 2009. But MoDOT is more than just roads and bridges. Our work extends to other modes of transportation as well, such as air travel, waterways, bicycle and pedestrian travel, and Missouri's rail system. It's a large system to maintain, and it takes drive and dedication.
I get exposed to a lot of different engineering practices and construction methods, so I feel like it's great for developing a wide base and learning a lot of different aspects to the job.
At MoDOT, we value individuals who exhibit the qualities of a team player, someone who's open-minded and works well with others to accomplish goals and fulfill the values of the organization.
So one of the perks I saw in working for MoDOT was I could still remain close to home. I live in a really rural part of Missouri where there's not a lot of engineering industry, and MoDOT offered that to me, to where I could still be close to family and friends and still have a career I'm proud of.
At MoDOT, your work not only has a positive impact on society and your community, you also get a feeling of accomplishment that only comes from public service.
I'm working on one of the largest projects in the state right now in an area that I grew up in, and working for MoDOT's allowed me to work in areas such as environmental, construction, design. I've even had the opportunity to go work in Washington, D.C. for a year while working with MoDOT.
The Missouri Department of Transportation. Design, build your future with us.